In this short audio guide, let us take a look at how you can change your perspective about the road that you journey on. The journey you take towards your goals. For some of you, your journey is a smooth one. And for some of you, the journey may not always be an easy one. Truth is, everyone tries to figure it out, but no one really understands. For those of you who travel on smooth roads, you will hardly ever notice the road. You enjoy the stretches of easy drive as it comes. But truth is, we will all face a bump, sooner or later. Why is it that when you hit a bump on the road, you stop your journey completely? It could be a health bump. You might need to be out of action for some time, to rest and recover. Or it could be a financial bump. You could face cash flow difficulties, or have out-of-pocket expenses that set you back from your goal. Or perhaps, you hit a relationship bump. You might have misunderstandings with your loved ones, or you might have conflicts with people in your lives. For some of you, it could be a career bump. You might have missed out on the promotion that you wanted, and start to lose passion in your work. Many of us stop completely when we hit a bump. We become paralyzed with fear. We feel depressed. And we become so fixated on overcoming the bump before we can restart towards our goal. But think of yourself driving on the road. Do you stop your car completely at every bump? It is part of life that you will drive along smooth roads as well as bumpy roads. Some of us may hit more than one bump on the road. But smooth roads do not make skillful drivers. And difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. If you can accept that there will be bumps along the road, you can keep your eyes on your destination. You can keep going forward, even if it will take you more time to get there. And as we navigate between bumps, never forget that there is happiness that lies in the space between bumps. There is happiness along the smooth stretches of the road. Celebrate the smooth rides that we take for granted when it comes. As you journey down the road, celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, promotions, and small wins along the way. You learn to appreciate the road when it is smooth. As you return to your journey, think of the next stretch of smooth roads where happiness is. And stop worrying about when the next bump comes. Enjoy your journey. And maybe start to admire the scenery as well. Change your perspective. And change your life. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this session. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.